Okay, class, let's continue after studying skill 18 ya. Focus for this inversion skill 19 ya. Subject and verb with comparison. Nah, comparisonnya apa? Menggunakan kata more ya. Contoh, my sister spends more hours in the coffee than John. Ini boleh kalimat ini. Tapi bagaimana kalimatnya yang diminta juga klausa gitu kan? My sister spends more hours in the office than John. Ya, boleh subject. Ya, jadi comparison susunannya adalah subject verb. Comparisonnya more hours in the office than subject verb. John does. My sister spends more hours in the office than does John. Nah, boleh diinvertkan juga tapi informal. Now let's go to the exercise ya. This one, the result of the current experience first to be more consistent than. Nah, boleh diikuti subject verb. Ketemu kata kerja nggak? They were apa were they? Nah, yang terbaik jawaban ini ya. What is the best answers? Okay, you can get this one. In this example, you notice that comparisons ya more consistent ya. Then kelihatan ya more consistent than itu comparisonnya. You should also understand the result of the current experiment is being compared to the result of any previous test. Because of the result any previous is the subject only ya verb in it. So best answer is the resultnya sebagai subjeknya ya, karena the result sebagai subjek kita nggak butuh subjek lagi. Nah, karena di sini sudah ada di sini, nggak mungkin kita bilang they lagi. Kita butuh to be. Berarti nah, di sini adalah mintanya diinversikan. Ya. Apakah they were? Tidak. Memang setelah then itu dibutuhkan subjek verb atau dibalik to atau verb atau subjek. Tapi karena di sini sudah ditemukan the results of any previous test-nya, berarti kita butuh were. Ya. Yang tepat adalah bravo. Okay, look at this one for the inverted subject and verbs with the comparison. The subject and verb may invert after comparison. The following structures are both possible. Ya, ada subject verb ya comparisons, terus diikuti lagi subject verb ya subject verb comparison. Di sini diinversikan. Ingat, subject verb inversion after comparison sounds rather formal. Terdengarnya agak formal. Tapi bisa ya. Now let's go to the exercise 1 to 5 ya. 6 to 10 it is yours ya to practice. Now let's go to number 1 for analyzing ya. More foods than. Nah ini has candidates boleh seperti ini. Nomor 1, kenapa nomor 2 di sini nggak tepat ya? Obviously we were much ya, more impressed, dan ini konektor apa? Comparisonnya di sini ada did ya, did the other members. Apa kesalahannya di sini? Ini were ya. Jangan pakai did, juga pakai were the other members. Jadi harus si paralel ya di sini, bukan did tapi kita dimintanya were much ya di sini harusnya menggunakan were the other members. Okay, number 3 ya. The film that we saw last night at the festivals was far better than any other films. Benar? Oke, correct ya. Number 3, correct. So last one was far better than any others. Oke, nomor 3 correct. Number 4, the vegetables at the market morning ya were far fresher than were those. Nah, ini version ya. Ada were di sini juga sama kan were juga. Number 5. I'm afraid that in the condition of the tires, as bad as comparison ya, as bad as the condition of others. Nah, apa yang kurang tepat di sini? Get this one ya. I'm afraid that is the condition of the tires, these tires, as bad as the conditions of the others. Tambahin lagi. That ya could be bisa apa di sini as bad the condition of jadi the condition ya the condition of the tires is ya as bad as the condition ya of the tires is. Nah, ini kesalahannya sini. That is condition, tapi that condition of the tires is. Jadi posisinya yang ini. I'm afraid that the condition of tire is as bad as the condition of the other. Jadi posisinya is-nya dirubah ditaruh di setelah tires. Oke, 6 to 10 ya, it is yours for you to finish, and then later we would like to have this exercise ya, 15 to 19, and also 15 to 19 again, and then we focus for this one, 1 to 19. Okay, let's go to this one first ya, about the skill 15 to 19. Okay, are you ready? Now let's continue here ya. Number 1. The town council is not sure ya, why have land developers. Nah, kalimat ini dianggapnya salah ya. Kenapa dianggapnya salah? Should be ya, harusnya apa? Land developers have change ya. Land developers have. Jadi karena di sini why have the land developer change ya. The town council is not sure why have the land developers change. Harusnya apa? Land developers ya have ya, ada have-nya di sini. Land developers, why the land developers have change. Bukan have-nya di sini tapi have change-nya di sini. Number 2, never in the world I believe that this would happen. Nah, mana yang kurang tepat? Nah, never in the world karena ini negatif harus ada inversionnya. Did I believe? Believe-nya verb 1 ya. Never in the world did I believe ya that this would happen. Nah, believe-nya jangan ada id-nya setelah ada penambahan did-nya. Never in the world did I believe. Ya. Nomor 3, that day might have been little more enjoyable ya had the sun been, ini inversion, correct ya. Nomor 4, only once ya, did the judge take the defense lawyer suggestion. Only once negatif ya, ini udah diinversikan, bukan the judge took, tapi did the judge takes. Nah, ini. Nomor 5, down the hall to the left officer are need to be painted. Oke, ya. Nih the officers are ya, down the hall to the left are the offices that need to be painted. Di sini harusnya digeser posisinya di office sama are-nya, bukan kalimat, tapi ditaruh di depan, jadinya are the offices. Are the offices. Number 5. Okay, 6 to 10, yours ya. Let's go analyze. Here's number 1 to 5 ya. Number 1 to 5. Okay, number 1 first. Rarely, so the correct one is delta. Are observatory located near city lights or at the lower? Rarely are-nya didulukan, bukan observatory are located, no, tapi are observatories located. Kita pilih yang delta, ini inversion. Oke, next. Karena ada apa? Ada negatif rarely. Yang kedua, ya. Yeah, there are geographic, economics, and cultural reasons why diets differ subject verbs. Yeah. So the answer is alpha. Jangan why do diet differ, nanya jadinya nanti ya, apalagi ours ya. Kurang tepat. So the right one is alpha. Number 3. Where? Where apa ini? Number 3 yang tepat adalah ya, the United States Army Corps, ya, ini subjeknya, of injured engineers not spending millions ya were. Jadi kalau ini were ada di depan, berarti yang tepat adalah alpha. Apakah ini tanya? Tidak, ini adalah dengan ada inversionnya di sini ya, the United States Army Corps ya. Kenapa enggak yang B, Mister? Karena kalau not spend di sininya were enggak sinkron. Ini kata kerjanya seperti apa? Apalagi does not, sudah ada were, enggak usah butuh does not lagi. Not spending enggak harus taruh depan, tapi subjeknya dulu yang ditaruh. Berarti were not spending malah kata kerja dulu, kan udah diwakili sama were-nya. Jadi yang not spending-nya ditaruh di belakang. Number 4. Number 4, now here ya, are retail trade figures ya, more skewed than in the auto. So the right one it is Charu. Number 5, New York City's Central Park is nearly twice large. Twice as large as, biasanya kan as large as. Nah, tinggal lanjutannya apa nih? Di inversion enggak? Ya silakan di inversion. Oke, kalau kita pakai yang S ini kekurangan, kata kerjanya enggak ada. Kalau pilih yang B, is the, enggak ada comparisonnya. S itu pasangannya sama S juga. Kalau S is second, pas. Berarti yang tepat adalah delta. S is the second smallest, ya, the smallest biasa butuhnya kata untuk paling ya, the smallest three. Okay, I think now for this session, it's time for you to finish this exercise, ya. 6 to 10 for your own practicing. Later we have practice for skill 1 to 19 to improve your quality in missing, ya. There are only 10 questions. I think now for this session, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.